Today we're going to talk about getting Cygwin installed and set up. So open your browser and go to www.cygwin.com. At the top of the page you'll have two choices, the 32-bit or the 64-bit installer. Depending on your Windows, choose the right one. If you're unsure, go with the 32. After that small installer downloads, go to it, usually in a browser, that's Control-J. Cut that out of the downloads folder. Go to your C drive, make a new folder called Cygwin-downloads. Go into that folder and paste it. Run setup from there. This pro tip will allow you to keep your all your files in one place, the temporary files that Cygwin creates. Okay, once that's started, take all the defaults, take the default directory that it offers, and you'll notice that it offers to store the temporary files in Cygwin-downloads. That's a great idea. And then you'll have a bunch of URLs. Just pick one. It doesn't matter until you run into issues, then pick a different one. Take the defaults on what packages to install, or you can add packages. Once the installer is complete, you will have a new icon on your desktop with Cygwin.bat, or you can do start and then start typing Cygwin, and it'll come up that way as well. And then you'll have a bash prompt. All right, happy bashing.